I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to Google Pay is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Go to Payment Methods. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Payment Methods from the menu. This is where you can manage all your payment options. Step 3. Add a debit card. In the Payment Methods section, tap on Add Payment Method and choose Debit Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. After entering your card information, Google Pay may require you to verify your card. This could involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Make sure you have access to the phone number or email linked to your card. Step 5. Set as default optional. If you want to use this debit card for future payments, you can set it as your default payment method. Just tap on the card and select Set as Default. Remember, if your bank requires additional security measures, you might need to complete those steps before the card is fully added. Enjoy using Google Pay for your transactions.